Yeah, bird watching. What an activity. Sitting outside, doing nothing. Just looking at birds. Watching them fly free without any laws. They poop on your car. Oh, I hate birds.
You know, before I became a mass murderer, I used to actually collect birds. It was a fun activity. What do you think about it, Jason?
Jason, you're such an asshole.
Look at Michael over there getting out all those weapons.
Yeah, it's kind of disgusting. Oh my God, look at that one right up in that tree. It looks beautiful.
Where? Where is it?
Just look, it's right there. Oh, never mind.
Where's Jason going?